Hello students, so today we are going to talk about internal assessment, practicals and projects for the academic session 2020, 21 and 22 for the students of classes 9 to 10. And I am going to make a separate video for the students of classes 11 and 12. So it is very important for you to understand the change in the assessment of your practicals or projects or internal assessment. So as you already know, your exams are going to be conducted twice this year. One is the term 1 exam, which will be in November, December, and another would be the term 2 exams, which would be in March 22. So your internal assessment marks would be total 20 marks. 10 marks are allocated towards the first term and another 10 marks are allocated towards the second term. Now this is basically the what I'm talking about is those subjects where we have theory paper for 80 marks, something like your English, social studies and your science, and your project or internal assessment or practical is for 20 marks. So this is for those subjects. So the first term 10 marks which have been allotted for first term, for that what is the split up? 3 marks will be for the periodic test. You must have finished your periodic test 1 already. Periodic test 2 and 3 has to happen, or in some cases it must have happened. So 3 marks will be given based on your performance in the periodic test. Then 2 marks will be given based on the multiple assessments which happen in the classroom pedagogy. Now, what is a multiple assessment? Multiple assessment could be the role play, the quiz, the group discussion, the map work, recitation, debate, art integrated activity, sport integrated activity, any skit that you have participated in. So, all that will be counted towards giving you the marks, which is called multiple assessment embedded in classroom pedagogy. And it is 2 marks is the allotment towards this category. Then your portfolio will carry 2 marks, and your subject enrichment activity, which is now called the student enrichment activity, plus your speaking listening skills and your practical work that you do in the lab, or the research work that you do in the subject, that will have the weightage of 3 marks. So 3 marks for periodic, 2 marks for diverse assessments, 2 marks for portfolio, and 3 marks for your subject enrichment activity. That makes total of 10 marks for term 1, and similarly 10 marks would be there for term 2. There is a little variation in assessment for those subjects where the theory question paper is for 70 marks and the practical is for 30 marks, something like your home science, elements of bookkeeping and accountancy. So here you will have 50 marks of practical oblique internal assessment in the first term and 15 marks of project, practical, and internal assessment in the second term. So that makes a total of 30 marks towards your project, practical, and internal assessment. Now, there is another type of subject where you have theory paper for 50 marks and practical or internal assessment for 50 marks. So, here, what the example of such subject is computer application. Now, here, what would happen? You will have 25 marks for your first term and another 25 marks for the second term towards your practical and internal assessment, viva, project, etc. Then we have another category of subject where the theory paper is for 30 marks. The examples of such subjects are Hindustani music melodic, Hindustani music vocal or percussion. Then you have Carnatic music, which is again either melodic, vocal, or percussion. Here, the practical is for 70 marks. So, in the first term, you will have 35 marks allocated towards your internal assessment, viva, project, and practical, and another 35 marks would be allocated for the second term. And the mode of assessment would again be your practical project work and your viva. And if you want to know the details about these subjects, that how many marks for Viva, how many marks for internal assessment, how many marks for project work, I would suggest you go to the CBSE website, and in the academic section, there is this circular which talks about special scheme, internal assessment, practicals, projects. Kindly check it thoroughly if you have any one of these subjects. So please keep sharing and liking the video for the benefit of other students also. And my only request to all of you is, please take your Viva, your practical and project work and internal assessments and classroom participative activities more sincerely, because you are going to be graded on your participation and your presentations and your project work.